Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Kolte Patil new launch project located in Versova, Andheri. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. Behind me is the actual land parcel where currently the sales office construction work is going on. You can also see the main road and the neighborhood of the project. And in this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, amenities, cafeteria, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. I will also show you the actual land parcel, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other consulting platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And this is the actual land parcel of the project. Talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.8 acres that will have one tower with two wings, that will have ground plus 3 level of podium plus 17 residential floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. Also, this is a gated community with low density and ample of open space. And now, talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located near Versova Metro Station, Andheri West, from where Versova Metro Station is only at a distance of 100 meters, Versova Beach is only at a distance of 3 minutes. Also, you have Co Club and Hospital only at a distance of 3 minutes from the project. Talking about the amenities, this project has clubhouse, world-class gym, spa, rooftop garden, banquet hall with outdoor dining area, meditation and yoga zone, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now let's talk about the configuration and the carpet areas. As said, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 750 to 800 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1050 to 1100 square feet. And now let's have a look at the booking process. The booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing. And then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount of 5 lakhs. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Kolte Patil new launch project located in Versova, Andheri.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.